All right, so welcome to the activity called Achat, where you are going to practice that rule of adding an accent grave on those E's before the consonant that comes before the infinitive ending. So for this activity, we are only going to focus on conjugating the verb acheter. All right, just to get used to this idea of adding the accent grave. Um, before you start any of these assignments, please make sure you watch the video where I go over these rules. Otherwise, what I'm saying is probably not making any sense to you. And then, of course, make sure you use your resources as you're completing these activities. All right, so what we have here, what we buy depends on how much money we have. Complete the following sentences, conjugating the verb acheter, and tell me what you would buy with the given amount of money. Be logical and feel free to make up your own items if you want to. All right, so let me walk you through an example. Okay, so I give you, for each one, I'll give you an amount of dollar. You're going to have to conjugate the verb acheter with the subject, and then you can pick one of these objects illustrated here, or you can come up with your own thing if you want. Just a heads up, if you decide to go with your own thing, that's fine. Just make sure, you look up the spelling, and same for these objects here. If you don't remember the gender or how to spell them, make sure you go back and look it up. All right, so an example here, avec $15, with $15, j'achète un compact. All right, I buy a CD. I mean, I don't even know. Do people even buy CDs anymore? I don't think so. But notice here, so it's a two-part kind of answer. First, you're going to conjugate the verb acheter with the subject. And here we're picking an object from the list or from your own choice that is logical with the amount of money given. All right, but notice here how we dropped the ER and replaced it with E. So that does not change because acheter is an ER verb. And since we're conjugating with je, that's the rule, right? We drop the ER, replace it with E. That does not change whatsoever. What does change is that we had to add the accent grave on that first E, or I should say the E that comes right before the consonant, that comes right before the ending. Okay, so have fun with this. I know it's not fun, uh, but be logical. Make sure you apply the rule um, to your verb, and make sure that you look up these items and make sure you give me something logical. All right. Any questions? Make sure you call, text, or email. And again, watch the instructional video about the vocab where I explain those rules so that you know what I'm talking about.